Here's a quick tip on Hyperdent. When, let's say I'm setting sprues, connectors on this crown right here, what I'll typically do is I'll come in here and hide the holder, and then I'll start moving around and setting these. On my machine, Hyperdent responds pretty well, but it's oftentimes a little bit herky-jerky. Here's what I discovered today, and I don't know why I've never checked this before, but if I keep this highlighted and I come here to, this is the one I've never really used. Once you do this, Hyperdent really starts to respond really nice, super smooth, less jumping. I suspect that that the graphics chip is no longer burdened with moving all of these objects around, and it's much happier. Yeah, so that's a tip on Hyperdent.